What is up, guys? We're back here on our channel. We have a car update from what we got over Christmas, and Lego update at the same time. So I'm gonna show mine first, and then he's gonna show yours. So yeah,
Yours.
I mean his. So
Gross.
yeah. So right here we have a city pizza truck with a table and a little moped. Yeah. Beep beep. A little pizza box. Now we have a Lego Technic. It's a pullback. Pullback.
Yeah, I could do that.
And it comes with a ramp. And on to the Hot Wheels. Now, we have 4 50th anniversaries. I'm just going to go through them. We have a Porsche GT3 911 white from the Then and Now series. And we have a 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT sponsored by Mopar from Musclemania 4/10. This is a Dodge Charger SRT on the hood. This is a 50th anniversary SRT. Different rims. The reason why I got this is because it goes along with my collection. I have a gray, a black, a red, and a white Dodge Charger.
Oh, I didn't realize you got that one.
I did. Then, that's from Musclemania. That one's the third one of Musclemania. Then this one's from Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. This one is a 70 Camaro from 50th anniversary. And, yeah. And then I have 2017 ones. And then, yeah. This is a white Ford GT from Hot Wheels Performance, and it's number 16. It's a Ford, and it's white with chrome rims. Then we have this one from Hot Wheels Exotics. It's a oddball, but it's actually works pretty good. I really like it because this front, if you pull it down, there's a little notch on the bottom of this, and then you could pull it down for show, or you could put it up for aerodynamics. Oh my gosh, buddy, what are you doing? And then we have a Ford Fiesta from Forza Motorsports. It says Xbox number 45 on that, the Forza symbol, number 10, Hot Wheels, and then Ford is on that, and then RS. Then we have another one from Hot Wheels Exotics. This is a 4 out of 10. This is a blue Pagani. And then on to the NASCARs. We have Jimmy Johnson and his American car. Then we have his magnet right there, signed by him. Then we have Carl Edwards. Clint Boyer with Carolina Ford Dealers, number 14. Then we have Junior and his Ducks Unlimited car, and this is Buddy, move! Then we have his Ducks Unlimited magnet. Then we have a dragster of it, and then this one is Advanced Auto Parts. Got look at this cat. So watch. These are rifle Nerf balls. Make good toys for cats. This is how they play with them. They mess up everything. But anyways, back to them. They have, it's so you can get these at A&A.com, or A.com. It's a Chevy Camaro from America. And then, there's its magnet there. Then I have SRT Hellcat charger, sponsored by Mopar. 2 normal ones, 1 red, and 1 white. Then I have a ice charger from Fast and Furious 8. So, yeah. That was my side. I'm gonna pause the video until little Jason gets up here from doing something downstairs. So, yeah.
What you in the video?
I didn't.
Oh.
I paused it, Tweety.
Does that like you?
So, we're on Jason's side now. So, Jason?
I got another 2017 Ford GT yellow. And then I got a Corvette Z06 racing model. And then I got a Porsche. My second Porsche. My other one looks like that, but white. And then I got my NASCAR. I got Ryan Reed's car, and it looks all bent up because
Sounds like he hit a doozy.
they made it look like the actual race. The reason why I know it's supposed to be like that because it even shows it on the magnet.
God freaking
He
he loves that box. Yeah, he did. He hit a doozy, guys. Ready to go.
And then I got a Junior. You already saw that, Junior.
Yeah.
Came with the magnet. And then I got my red, white, and blue car. Brad Keselowski's car. I think he actually grew up in Michigan.
Last time I remember.
My Star Wars cars. I got an X-Wing. I got a TIE Fighter. Captain Phasma with 2 First Order Clone Troopers. And then I don't know these guys, but this one you can hold stuff in.
Like Fast Cash. That's what his name is. This is Buddy. Buddy Mo.
And then I got a Mazda. I like this one.
Yeah. If you guys did not know, this MM stands for Mad Mike.
It does?
Yeah. Anyways, if you guys didn't know that.
You got some more.
Hi, kitty.
Look how big he is.
His eyes through my camera looks like freaking owl eyes.
And then we have the car from Cars 3 that is what got me. And then I have another movie car, which is the Ford Escort from Fast and Furious 6.
And then you have to go over there to show your Legos.
Then I got Lego Star Wars sets. I actually got 2 of them for Christmas. That's
For my uncle.
yeah. I got Yoda's Jedi Starfighter. And then I got
Republic.
Yeah, you guys can read that.
Fighter tank. So, guys, that was our update on it. We're gonna do a weekly Hot Wheels competition. We're doing it today right now.
We are.
After this. And after actually it uploads.
Okay.
So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this upload, then we're gonna do the Hot Wheels challenge. So, yeah. So, this is, if you guys comment down below which one's your favorite: Legos, NASCARs, Disney cars, movie cars, oddball cars, Star Wars cars, normal Hot Wheel cars, things like that. Comment down below which one's your favorite through all this stuff. And, yeah. So, peace. We out.